Did you know that the enemy will not come to you with chains? Hindi siya lalapit sa'yo and then kakadinahan ka na lang niya. Hindi. Because if he comes to you with chain, you will run away. Tatakbuhan mo lang siya. The devil will always approach you with a choice. Gawin mo to. Huwag kang magpatawad. O, tinan mo nga, ginawa sa'yo yan. No? Pinatid ka, hindi ka binati. Huwag mong patawarin, huwag mong pansinin. You made a choice. But that choice will not remain a choice. That choice, patuloy mong gawin, it will be your habit. Nung una, masakit kasi talaga ginawa sa'yo kaya hindi mo patawad. Pero lumaon ng lumaon, naging habit mo na. Kahit sino makasakit sa'yo, kahit simpleng pananakit lang, hindi mo na mapatawad because it became a habit. And it will not only be a habit. Next time, it will be automatic. It started with a choice, and now, it's automatic. But it will not remain automatic. It will now become your identity. It will become who you are. It will become, sasabihin mo na sa sarili mo, I'm addict, I'm a porn addict. Addict na ako sa sigarilyo. I'm a bitter person. It's now become who you are. But it will not remain as just like an identity. It will now become your nature. Today's choice will become tomorrow's chain.